Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Dear student, I am your teacher. My name is Gulasan Swarula. My subject is physics, and my online tuition center name is Mr. Swarula Online Tuition Center. Tuition classes center. As I mentioned that my subject is physics, so today I chose class first year chapter number 1. This is my little bit efforts for you people. As you know that the condition situations of corona, I have started my little effort in physics. Dear student, today my topic is the scope of physics, or simply we can say that what is the development of physics in the field of science. So as you know that the physics is a fundamental, experimental and quantitative science, or simply we can say that the word physics is derived from a Greek word physis, meaning nature. So how we define physics? As I already mentioned above that the physics is a fundamental, experimental and a quantitative science. So how we define that fundamental and experimental and quantitative science? So physics is defined as the study of the properties of matter and energy and the interaction between them. Now question is arise that what is physics? It is mentioned in definitions. So from the definition of physics, there are two terms are occurs, matter and energy. Now it is defined that what is matter. As you know that anything having mass and occupy this space is called matter, and energy, ability or capability of doing work is called energy. How matter and energy are interact to each other, or simply you can say that how matter convert into energy and how energy is converted into matter. I give you the example of plant that when a plant is growing above, and after that when we fire it, it becomes energy. This is the best example of what conversation of matter and energy. Now physics is a field of science. Physics is a branch of physical science. So some objectives of physics. So physics have some objectives, or simply how physics developed, how physics changed the science. Some objects of physics on that which physics is work in the field of science. Number one is to study the component of matter and their mutual interactions. Number two, to express the notation of interaction, gravitational, electromagnetic and nuclear interactions. Number third, to formulate general rules about the behavior of matter in particle, from microscopic behavior to macroscopic behavior. Finally, physics is objective of physics is to develop a range of skills, mathematical skills in ability to communicate. Thank you very much, and I hope that this is my first experience. I want, I need your cooperation. Thank you.